Hello everyone. Question is all the following are main setup areas in Salesforce.com except option A personal setup, option B app setup, option C data setup, option D administration setup. Correct answer is option C. Question is what does a profile control? Option A access to application, option B record type access, option C permissions, option D data visibility. Option A hours of IP address. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. Question is what determines a unique user record? Option A username. Option B standard profile. Option C custom profile. Option D user role. Correct answer is option A. Question is it is possible for a user to own a record and not see it if they don't have the read permission to the object. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is which of the following does Salesforce CRM provide for restricting login access to the application? Choose three options. Option A profile-based IP restrictions. Option B organization-wide IP restrictions. Option C profile-based login hour restrictions. Option D organization-wide login hour restrictions. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is workflow rules consist of the following components. Option A workflow task. Option B workflow outbound message. Option C workflow field updates. Option D workflow actions. Option E workflow email alerts. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. Question is in Spring 11 Salesforce.com release dynamic dashboards have been launched for which edition? Option A Developer Edition, Option B Professional Edition, Option C Enterprise Edition, Option D Unlimited Edition. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is where do you go to create a list view so that you can see it on the console under the accounts object? Option A create a list view on the console. Option B create a list view on accounts. Option C create a list view on contacts. Option D create a field on the console. Correct answer is option B. Question is which of the following statements are true about data validation? Option A validation rules apply to all new updated records for an object. Option B validation rules can update fields which are not included in a page layout. Option C validation rules can reference fields which are not included in a page layout. Option D if an error message is not set, a default message will be prompted instead. Option E all of the above. Option F none of the above. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is Salesforce.com archives older activities according to which of the following conditions? Option A closed events 180 days old. Option B events with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option C open task with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option D closed task with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option E closed tasks without a due date that were created more than 365 days ago. Correct answer is option B, D and option E. Question is pick val within bracket pick list underscore field bracket closed has the same output as please see the options. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.